Are you sure you're driving your car the right way? What if I told you that every single day, without realizing it, you might be slowly destroying your engine? What are the most common mistakes drivers make? And more importantly, how can you fix them before it's too late? In this video, you'll discover the real driving habits that silently kill engines, cost thousands in repairs, and shorten your car's life by years. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last tips are the ones mechanics almost never tell you, but they make the biggest difference. Before we start, subscribe to the channel if you want practical car knowledge, real-world driving advice, and secrets that help your engine last as long as possible. And if you want a video about a specific car or engine, write it in the comments. I read them all. Now, let's get straight to the mistakes. Mistake number 1, driving hard on a cold engine. One of the most dangerous habits happens in the first minutes after you start the car. Cold oil is thick. It doesn't lubricate properly. And when you rev the engine or accelerate aggressively right after startup, you're creating metal-on-metal friction. This causes premature engine wear, turbo damage, long-term internal stress. What to do instead? Drive gently for the first few minutes. Keep RPMs low. Let the oil reach operating temperature naturally. This one habit alone can add tens of thousands of kilometers to your engine's life. Mistake number 2, ignoring short trips. Short trips are silent engine killers. When you constantly drive short distances, the engine never fully warms up. Moisture builds up inside the engine. Fuel dilution contaminates the oil. Over time, this leads to sludge buildup, poor lubrication, increased wear. Solution: at least once a week, take your car on a longer drive to fully warm up the engine and burn off moisture. Mistake number 3, delaying oil changes. Modern engines are precise machines, and oil is their lifeblood. Waiting too long between oil changes causes sludge formation, clogged oil passages, increased internal friction. Even if the car feels fine, damage is already happening. What to do? Change oil earlier than the maximum interval, especially if you drive in traffic, you do many short trips, you have a turbo engine. Fresh oil equals longer engine life. Mistake number 4, using the wrong oil. Not all oil is the same. Using the wrong viscosity or low-quality oil can reduce lubrication, increase heat, damage turbochargers, cause timing chain wear. Always follow the manufacturer's specifications, not just the mechanic's suggestion. Saving money on oil often means paying thousands later. Mistake number 5, constantly driving at low RPM. Many drivers think low RPM always means less wear. That's not true. Driving too often at very low RPM strains the engine, increases vibration, causes carbon buildup. This is especially dangerous for modern turbo engines. Fix: use the full RPM range responsibly. Occasionally allow the engine to rev higher to keep it clean and efficient. Mistake number 6, overusing start-stop systems. Start-stop systems save fuel, but they also increase starter wear, stress the battery, reduce oil pressure cycles. In heavy traffic, this constant restarting can be harmful. What to do? Disable start-stop in traffic jams or short urban trips. Your engine will thank you. Mistake number 7, ignoring warning lights. That small warning light is not decoration. Ignoring it can turn a small sensor issue into catastrophic engine failure. Golden rule: if a warning light appears, diagnose it immediately. Modern cars record errors long before real damage occurs. Mistake number 8, poor air filter maintenance. Dirty air filters reduce airflow. This causes inefficient combustion, higher fuel consumption, increased internal contamination. Solution: replace air filters regularly. Clean air equals cleaner engine. Mistake number 9, shutting off a hot turbo engine. After aggressive driving, turbochargers are extremely hot. Turning off the engine immediately stops oil circulation, traps heat, damages turbo bearings. What to do? Let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before shutting it off after hard driving. Mistake number 10, ignoring cooling system maintenance. Engines die from heat, not age. Low coolant, old coolant, or neglected hoses lead to overheating, warped engine parts, head gasket failure. Always check coolant levels and replace coolant at recommended intervals. Fire bonus section: mechanic secrets you must know. Now here are the extra tips most people never hear, but professionals swear by. Secret number 1. Engine braking is your friend. Using engine braking reduces stress on brakes, transmission, engine load transitions. It creates smoother mechanical operation. Secret number 2. Good fuel actually matters. Cheap fuel often contains lower quality additives, more impurities. Over time, this leads to injector problems and carbon buildup. Secret number 3. Your driving style matters more than brand. A well-driven economy car can outlive a poorly driven luxury car. Engines don't fail because of logos. They fail because of habits. Final message, don't miss this. If you avoid these mistakes and follow these habits, your engine can last hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Repairs will drop dramatically. Your car will stay reliable for years. Subscribe for more real-world car knowledge. Comment below if you want a video on a specific engine, brand, or driving habit. And remember, engines don't die suddenly. They are killed slowly.